Good morning, Joan.
Hi, Q. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Tell us about your job.
Oh my God, it is fantastic. You guys came in, you took my house down to the stud, and when you were done with the outside of my house, it looked like I'm living in a whole new home. I love it. It's absolutely wonderful. And the timeline, you stuck to your timeline and your budget. I appreciate the work. And as you can see, it feels like me now. The house is comfortable. Feels like a cottage. It's beautiful. I love the work you did.
Thank you, Miss Joanne.
You're welcome, darling. Anytime. Hey, Q, come and see this. I want you to see the rest of it. It looks fantastic. That was the front, but come see the side. See? You trimmed out my garage door. You want me to close the door so you can see how good it looks?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on. Now, let me show you the back. You won't believe what these guys did. They went so far as even to trim out the whole back, the deck, the black trim on the white. It looks fantastic. My last thing, and my handyman said he's gonna handle that, is this. But look at the deck. They blackened the deck to match the trim, and then they even wiped out the trim of the deck, which was wood at the time. It looks so beautiful. They did the whole house like this. Even on the other side of the house, on the chimney and all is trimmed out. So when you look at the deck from any side, it matches the house completely. They even did the concrete under there. See, look at it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. I have no complaints. Every little thing was done. There were no mistakes made. Just fantastic.
We appreciate you, Miss Cotton.
No problem, darling. Anytime. We trimmed from the front. Even the brick layer was trimmed all around the house. And the cool thing is these guys are so good that if I had a problem, they came right back and fixed everything. No problems. Don't do that. When I crowned it out, let's end this whole drama. Check the mailbox out. This is how far these guys went. Even around my plants, they trimmed my plants in black. They smeared my mailbox. What can you say? Home for a lifetime. This is it. I'm done. No more work, just retire and enjoy. Thanks again, darling.